Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from calculation of lift and drag force. As per the given question number 2, find the difference in drag force exerted on a flat plate of size 2 meter into 2 meter when the plate is moving at a speed of 4 meter per second normal to its plane. In case 1 is water and second case is air having density of 1.24 kg per meter cube. Coefficient of drag is given as 1.15. And why that density of water is not given? It is common, you know that. So first of all, we'll write down the given data, then we'll proceed for the solution. So find the difference in drag force exerted on a flat plate. Flat plate area is given. Area is equal to 2 meter into 2 meter. That is your 4 meter square. When the plate is moving at a speed of 4 meter per second, capital U is given 4 meter per second. At a speed of 4 meter per second normal to its plane, that is perpendicular, in water. So CD is given, CD value is equal to 1.15 and density of water rho W is 1000. We know this. Even it is not given, you can take this value. Rho or acceleration due to gravity, correct? No problem. Density of air, it changes with the altitude. So it is given here as 1.15, sorry, 1.24 kg per meter cube. Now the given data is written. We have to find the difference in drag force. So first of all, we'll calculate the drag force in water, drag force in air, then we'll take the difference. FD, drag force, equal to, formula is CD into half rho A velocity square. We'll take in case of water first. Okay, water is having more viscosity compared to air, so drag will be more. CD is equal to 1.15 given in the question into 0.5 into density of water is 1000. Area is your 4 meter square, so 4 into velocity square. Velocity is also 4, so 4 square. So you will be getting total drag force equal to 36800 Newton. 36800 Newton. No need to convert in kilonewton because it is not asked anything. So drag force in case of water we have found. Now we'll find in case of air. FD equal to, same formula will apply, CD into half rho A V square air. Now we are calculating in case of air. So value of CD will be definitely same, no change, 1.15 into 0.5 into rho. Rho is changed now because it is air, so 1.24 into area. Area will be same, 4 into again velocity square, 4 square. So if you calculate this, you will be getting 45.6 Newton. So difference in drag force you have to find, right? Difference in drag force equal to 36800 minus 45.6. Second case, the drag is very less. So you will be getting here 36754.4 Newton. This is the answer. So the final answer is, difference in drag force is 36754.4 Newton. This is the answer. Okay. Thank you.